Alright guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the user interface of Perplexity and how it is different than ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how my Perplexity looks like, and in the left side panel, right, we have certain things. A new thread, right? If you want to create a new thread, then you can simply click on here and you can type it like hello, what are you doing, and something something. So like this you can type and you can create a new chat. Basically you can start a new chat. Okay, and here is the home button. So we are currently at the home page only, and right, so you can start from here also, like in chat gpt. If I open chat gpt, okay, so if I open chat gpt, so this is how my chat gpt looks like. Yeah, so this is how my chat gpt looks like. Okay. Yep. So over here you have explore GPTs and it's a new chat and stuff like that. So over here as well you have some library. Here is a new chat option, right? When you see this bottom, it is upgrade plan, and over here you will find sign up and login. So let me first log in. Okay, if you want to log in, you can log in with your Apple SSO and your Google account as well, or you can simply type in your email, or you can log in with that as well. No worries, I'll simply go with my Google account and I will log in with my Google account. Continue. Okay. Yep. So I trust continue. Okay. Previous. How can I go previous? Continue. So this is how my page looks like. Introducing the spaces, you can cross it. I'm introducing you that thing. Okay. Try pro version. This is my account. Here comes the setting part. If you want to download this app, this of Perplexity, you can download it from here. This is the X link. This is the Discord channel. You can simply visit it from here. You have certain spaces, right? As you can see, this is my space, right? So now what is my space? I will come to later on. Let us first open the home page. Okay, we'll come to the spaces later on. Now, simply you can click on this focus and whatever thing you want to focus. If you want to ask a calculation, right, you can click on this maths part. If you want something related to your academics, you can click on here. If you want writing, you can click here. If you want something related to videos, you can do here, and stuff like that, right? So let's say and if you want to search across the web, you can do it over here. Suppose I want to do writing. Okay, so I want something for writing. Okay, if you want to attach a PDF, so it gives you three free PDF attachment. Basically three, not PDF, image, PDF, anything that you want to attach, it gives you three every day, right? So every day it will give you only three attachment that you can attach and you can do it. Okay, here comes the pro version, and if you want a pro version, so yes, of course, three searches. Again, it will give you three searches for your pro version daily basis. On daily basis it will give you three version. You can simply turn off and turn on, right? So if you want to use the pro version, you will turn on, you will write your prompt and you will ask it, right? So if you are turning on your pro version and you're asking, so it is using your pro credits, and if you're turning it off, your pro credits won't be used and you can simply go for a thing. Okay, yep, so that is it over here, and here comes your, okay, let's come to discover part, right? So what is there in discover part? So here are some articles, some news, or like any new things that you want to see, right? That is basically as per your interest. Okay. Or maybe your recent searches, right? What you are searching, or maybe some tech and science related things, some finance related things, some art and cultures. So anything that is trending, right? That is trending basically will come in your here part, and here in your discover part, and you can see it, you can read it. So it's more of a, I can say, news kind of a thing, right? So any hot buzzing topic that is there in the market related to these these topics, it will come into this area and you can simply go through. So Ed Sheeran wins the copyright appeal. So I'm not sure what it is talking about, but if you are aware of this thing, so maybe Ed Sheeran has done any copywriting something, so it has been won this, right? Squid Game Omniverse Return. Okay, so Netflix has released this. Oh my god. Okay, Netflix has released some new Squid Game Omniverse series, so it has present over here, and yep. So as you can see, so here are some entertainment related latest news related to entertainment, right? When it comes to sports, so caves remain defamed and something 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 something. Okay, perfect. So you can always see things over here, right? So yes, you can see your interest. Then like I'm interested in sports, I'm interested in entertainment, I'm interested in tech and science. Save interest, right? So it will now save your interest, and whatever you have done, it will be over here, right? So top science, sports, entertainment, right? So it will be in your top areas, right? Top three areas will be your this thing, okay? Then comes your other areas. If you want to personalize, you can simply again personalize it. Say I'm not interested in sports anymore and I just want two things, right? So now these two things are pinned, right? So these two things will always be over here only. These are pinned, okay? So that is the case over here in your discovery part, right? Then comes your library. So in your library, any threads that you have done so far. So basically it's a history, right? So if you have created any kind of a history, so that will come over here. And in your my spaces, here comes your all the set of AI instruction that you want to give. Or when it comes to create a space, then you can select title, add description, select your model, like whatever model you want to do, but it's more of a pro version kind of a thing. So title is test, and description is optional, model is this, continue. So yeah, this is my text test space, and yeah, I can go in this space and basically I can do certain chatting. So what is it basically? Suppose you can create your separate spaces. Like suppose I'm a React developer, right? So I can create a space called React. So I'll create a new space called React, right? React. Okay. So now what I I will do in this space, whenever I want to ask any question based on React, right? I will open this space. If you are a backend developer, say Spring Boot, right? So whenever I want to add any ask anything related to Spring Boot, I can ask in this particular space. So like what I am doing over here is basically I am just clubbing my topics, right? So if I have any doubt in React, if I want to ask any question related to React, I will just open my space, my this space, and I will ask that question in this. So what will happen? What will happen because of this? Because of this spacing, right? My each and every searches, right? If I now I know that whatever I have searched related to React, I will find in this space. Whatever I have searched related to Spring Boot, I have to find in this space, right? So now it is a clubbing type of a thing, right? So what we are doing, we are clubbing our searches, we are grouping our searches, and it's not hard for us to find, okay? It's not hard for us to find, right? So that is the purpose of this space over here, right? So now I guess this new thread, home, discover, space, library, this is clear, perfect to everybody. Let's go to this settings part, right? So in this settings part, we have some appearance. We want dark appearance, light appearance. So no, not light, of course. I'll go with the dark one. Language, in what language you want a Hindi language. So see, everything will be in Hindi. If you want this in the Hindi language, everything will be in Hindi. If you want it in English language, everything will be in English. You want auto suggestions or not? So yes, I want auto suggestions, I have done it. If you want to edit your profile, you can simply edit it from here. If you want to purchase any Perplexity, so you can purchase it over here, right? So it's $20 per month with Pro, and that is same with your chat GPT. So it will be around about $23 because GST they will add, so it will be like $23. So what we are getting in your paid version, 300 plus pro searches per day, okay? So 300 plus pro searches we are getting, unlimited quick searches, okay? Select your AI model, choose GPT 4.0, Claude 3, Sonar Large, and all these things. And like you can select many models, right? In ChatGPT, we have GPT 4, GPT 4.0 mini, and all those models. Here we are getting some more models, that is Claude, we are getting Sonar Large, we are getting that is Llama 3.1 basically. So all these models upload and analyze unlimited files. In the free version, they gives you only 3 files per day. But over here, when you get your pro version, they will give you unlimited uploading files and visualize your answers using Playground AI, DALE, and SDXL, and all those things. get $5 per month in API credit. Okay, that is something which they are giving us in the pro version. Fine, perfect. Sign out of all session, delete account, and all those things. Okay, so yeah, that is about the account section. Then comes your profile section. So yes, profile section is something where basically I can introduce myself, or basically how like in chat GPT what we did, we made a custom instruction and all those things. So that is something which we want to configure are these things, right? Introduce yourself to personalized answers, right? And share any information or instruction that AI should know, right? So any instruction, any information that you want to add, that okay, AI give me in this format, my responses should be in this format, and all those things, that you can add it over here, the location and like whatever it is there. So you can prefer response and all those things, so you can configure it. Okay, so yeah, here comes the API part. So in the API section, so first of all I need to set a payment. No, I don't want to do any kind of payment to you. Here comes the enterprise part. So you can select your enterprise model. If you want to select any kind of enterprise model, you can select it from here. So yes, I guess that's it for this. And yeah, you can simply click on here, like pro, expertise, store. Yeah, store is also here. So Perplexity supply, they supply you some hats and all those things. So yes, of course, these are some cool products that you can purchase. A Perplexity t-shirt that is for $29. $29 is more or less. It's like it's at 3,000 something. Oh my god, it's 3,000 rupees t-shirt. Oh, we have hoodies. $58 hoodies. Oh my god, $58 is something like 5,000. 5,000. Oh my god. No ways. I'm not going to buy it. Yeah, this is something which I can buy. Perplexity $5 sticker pack. So this is something which I can of course buy. Yep. So maybe Hoping Minds can sponsor me this. Okay, Hoping Minds, please sponsor me this sticker pack. Okay, I want to buy this. So yeah, so this is some store of Perplexity by which you can buy your things and stuffs and all of those things. Careers. Yep. So our mission and ownership velocity. So they are hiring, right? So they are hiring certain current openings and all senior search and all those things. If you want to apply your luck in the career in Perplexity, so yes, you can simply go and apply it from here. So yes, I guess that's it for this uh, wonderful tour of Perplexity user interface, and we'll meet you again in the other video with the searches and what is the difference between the search result of ChatGPT and Perplexity, right? So we will apply the same prompt on ChatGPT and we will apply the same prompt on Perplexity, and we'll see the difference between both of them. Okay, so yes, I guess that's it for this video, and we'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you and